Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about multi-level break-even. Many traders move the stop loss to break even in their strategies to protect the trade from loss. Sometimes they do this several times to protect more profits and tighten the stop loss when the price is closer to the target. Forex Trade Manager break-even settings can be found on the third tab. Simply click on the break-even inscription to reveal a list where you can choose between a basic break-even and a more advanced multi-level break-even option. If you opt for the advanced break-even setting, you'll have the flexibility to define up to 4 different break-even levels. Keep an eye out for the white frame around the button to indicate your current selection. Let's walk through an example. Say we set the activation point when the trade hits a profit of 1 RR, equivalent to the initial stop loss size, and set the profit as 0 pips, which would move the stop loss to the opening price. We'll mark this as level 1 and activate it. Moving on to the second level, let's do activation 2 RR and profit 1 RR and turn on. And finally, we'll set a 4 pip stop loss and a 16 pip take profit. Ready to initiate a trade? Now we wait for our trade to hit profit. Should you feel the need to adjust the break-even settings during this time, just click on the designated section to access the multi-level break-even settings. Now the price is approaching our first break-even level and the stop loss has been moved to the opening price level. Here you can check that level 1 is already done and we can wait for level 2 to be activated. And as you can see now, our stop loss was moved as well in our example to 1 RR when it reached 2 RR. The concept of multi-level break-even provide you a higher degree of flexibility in not only formulating your strategies, but also effectively managing your trades. Embrace the potential of this tool to elevate your trading game and maximize your success in the competitive financial markets. That's all from me. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.